A flickering screen is distracting and can even strain your eyes. In this video, we will show you how to fix screen flickering in Windows. First, determine the cause. Open the Task Manager with Ctrl-Shift-Escape. If the Task Manager itself flickers along with everything, the problem is usually a display driver. If it does not flicker, an app is likely the culprit. For driver issues, open the Device Manager, find your display adapter, and update the driver. If flickering started after a recent update, try rolling the driver back to a previous version. Check your cable connections. Since a loose or damaged monitor cable often causes flickering, try a different cable or port to test this. Make sure your refresh rate is set correctly in the display settings, matching what your monitor supports. For app-related flickering, update or reinstall the problem program. Incompatible apps sometimes need to be removed. Adjusting hardware acceleration settings in certain apps can help too. Working through these steps methodically almost always identifies and resolves the flickering, restoring a steady, comfortable display.